We're in Denver, Colorado at EnerCom's 19th Annual Oil and Gas Conference. I'd like to welcome Brent Eshleman, Executive Vice President and COO of Bellatrix Exploration. Hi, Brent.
Hi, thanks. Thanks for having us. Pleasure to be here.
You operate in Canada, specifically in West Central Alberta. What plays are you focused on and what are you producing?
Yes, our two main play types is one, the Cardium light oil resource play. It is the largest conventional resource play, light oil resource play in Canada, and that is one of the backbones of our operation. The other main play type that we are pursuing is in a liquids-rich Mannville gas, specifically into the Notikewin and Falher zones that we've had tremendous success with horizontal completion technology, moving those plays to the next level and being able to deliver the high productivity and rates of return that we have shown over the last 5 years since our inception.
Brent, you are looking at a 524% increase in production between the end of 2009 and your estimate for 2014. Where are you getting those increases?
Well, those increases are off those two main play types. What we've done is we've taken that technology and with innovation be able to move that to the next level by fine-tuning not only how we drill the wells, but how we complete the wells and produce the wells to continue adding value and increasing productivity. And with that, we've had that tremendous growth success, not only into the Cardium, but into these various Mannville zones. As indicated, the two main play types was the Notikewin and Falher. We're also looking at the Wilrich and Glock and the Ellerslie. And they have a tremendous amount of associated liquids that makes them very profitable.
Since 2008, your production expenses have declined almost 60%. Can you talk about how you are achieving that?
Yes, that comes with experience and the understanding of how to apply those efficiencies, drive your operating costs, and also is understanding to take control of your infrastructure. And that is what is critical into the Canadian Western Sedimentary Basin is owning your compressors, putting in the pipelines, owning pieces of plants to continue to drive that operating expense down. And it is critical to your long-term success. And it's coming to economies of scale, drilling off of pad sites, drilling 4, 8, 10 wells off the pad sites, not only for that capital efficiency, but also it improves your operating expenses and continues to drive those down also.
Brent, you had mentioned your operations in the Cardium play. Of your 1,800 drill site inventory, you have almost 750 drilling locations in that region. Can you talk more about that?
Yes, well, the Cardium is a true resource play. So it blankets a wide portion of the province. It is akin to the Bakken into the U.S. Wherever you drill into the Cardium, you will hit the Cardium. Now, I'm not saying you'll have an economic well if you don't understand how to drill it, how to complete it, how to produce it. But that's the experience that we bring to the table. And with that, we're able to drill the multitude of wells to capture that oil and continue with our success in adding inventory as we continue down our path.
What are your development plans there?
So our development plans will continue on, and it has, now the Cardium pool was discovered in 1953. And it's been drilled over the last 60 years, and it's really only touched the tip of the oil in place that is there. Estimates have the oil in place at 40 billion barrels of oil in place, 49 TCF of gas, of which to date, after 60 years, only 1.8 billion barrels has been produced. So you can see the tremendous prize that is there, and that's why there's hundreds of operators drilling throughout the fairway. And what we bring to the table is our experience and innovation, and that's what makes us one of the most profitable operators in the area that we drill, and with it, that huge inventory that we're able to access and continue growing upon.
You're also building your own natural gas processing plants. Can you talk about that strategy?
Absolutely. You know what, the system has become very constrained over the last year with all this success and all this new horizontal drilling and completion technology has moved everything, as you're well aware, into North America to that next level. And with that comes constraints onto the system. And so we saw this coming a couple of years back with technology. At some point, the system would be very constrained. So we went down our path of initiating an engineering field study, then getting regulatory approval to build our plants, and that's just one piece of the puzzle. We work with the midstreamers as a strategic relationship, utilizing all the capacity and optimizing that in their system, and then our gas plant is that next component that we require for growth to be able to move to the next level. And our plants will become the most efficient plants in the area, so it increases our liquid recoveries also from 45 barrels a million on the same gas stream up to 87 barrels a million. So when you do the math on that, it's extremely profitable. It adds about $75 million a year additional cash flow to Bellatrix when both of our plants are operational off of the same gas stream, but off of the increased liquid recovery that we get.
Well, Brent, we wish you folks continued success.
Well, thank you very much.
I'm Quinn Nguyen for oilandgas360.com.